Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Uber Eats delivery account in Australia, bicycle or car. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video, subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web page and go to Google, and under Google search box type in Uber Eats delivery account. And then from here we want to click onto deliver meals with Uber Eats, so from uber.com. Now, once you're here, you'll be taken to this page. Now, before we get started, they got some delivery eligibility requirements. So if you're delivering by bicycle, you must be at least 18 years of age and have a valid government issued photo ID, passport, driver's license, etc. And if you're delivering by car, you also must be at least 18 years of age, have a valid Australian driver's license, and provide proof of vehicle registration and insurance. So in saying that, from here, we need to click on where it says get started. And now, once you've done that, you might need to log in with a Google account or Apple account, or sign up using your email or phone number. I've already done that previously, that's why I just skipped a step to here. So yeah, just sign in or sign up with a Google account or your phone number, email address, then you'll be taken to here. Now, once you're on this page, you need to fill out this page. So it says signing up for Adelaide delivery, because I'm in Adelaide. So if I want to swap this from deliver with car to bicycle, I'm going to click on change, and then it'll say first confirm the location you want to earn. I want to continue in my current location, and then it'll say now choose how you want to earn with Uber. So it says delivery of car, rides with fleet, motorbike or scooter, or bicycle. So choose whichever one you want to start delivering with. Once you've done that, if I want to do deliver a bicycle, I want to click continue and then confirm changes. Then from here, we need to go through some of these steps. So we'll say recommend the next step. So from here, I'm going to click on national identity card. So I'm going to click into here. Then I'll say take a photo of your national identity card, passport, citizenship, birth certificate, IMEI card. And then click on use my phone to do this, or you can upload a photo or PDF of your proof of ID. Click and zoom on the image for uploading guidelines or requirements. Then next step, click on profile photo. So you want to take your profile photo. So Uber has partnered with Verif to verify your profile photo. So you need to make sure the face of the camera directly with your eyes and mouth clearly visible. Make sure the photo is well lit, free of glare and in focus. No photos of photos, filters or alterations. And then Verif will verify that your photo is of a live person, etc. And then they're going to start, click on background check. So background checks and rights to work check. So to partner with Uber Eats, you need to pass a background check and confirm you have citizenship, residency or visa status that allows you the rights to work in Australia. So click on apply now and go through that process. Then you got a bicycle safety test, and you got tax settings. And now once they do your background check, and take anywhere from 3 to 5 days. And you will know once you've been accepted, because they will send out an email confirmation to let you know that the background check is complete and your account has been activated. Then from there, access the Uber driver app, and you will be able to see the dashboard. Then the status will show you online or available for deliveries. You may even get push notifications on your phone from the Uber driver app. So once you've done this background check, just go to your Uber driver app, make sure to sign in on that account that you created here with, and enable notifications, because once your background check is complete, they might send you a push notification on the app to let you know you're ready to go. And like I said, it takes anywhere from 3 to 5 business days, but it can vary depending. And if it takes any more than a week, it's worth checking your spam or junk folders, or simply contacting Uber support and seeing how long, or if there's any issues in the background check, or what else you need to upload or complete in order to get started.